Welcome to my first tutorial about Mac OS Lion. I am currently running Mac OS Lion 10.7.3. Now I'm going to show you some of the features of Mac OS Lion in this tutorial and some of the things that you can do with Mac OS Lion. Right here is the Launchpad, which has all your apps housed in one, so you can see here. And then you can just click on one of them. Say I want to open up iMovie. I'll just open it right up there. Mission Control is another cool feature with Mac OS Lion. Now if you click on this, you can do all this. See, I have 3 desktops open right now, but usually, let me just close those out. Alright, so Mission Control does this. Say I have like 4 programs. Open up the internet here, open up App Store, open up my address book, open up my mail, all this random crap. Say I want to put it all so I can see everything. You push Mission Control and everything is thrown around. Now this is really good for when you're running a whole bunch of programs and you need to organize it. And obviously with Lion you get this here, which is your widgets. Your widgets you can customize. You get the flight tracker, iCal, these all come with it, but you can get ones off the internet too. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my first video tutorial of Mac OS Lion and its basic features.